Gardening machetes are versatile tools that are essential for any gardener or landscaper. There are many products available to choose gardening machetes, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best gardening machetes from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Gerber Gear Gator Machete 25-inch with plain edge blade and saw. The Gerber Gear Gator Machete is a versatile tool designed for chopping and sawing. It comes with a 15-inch plain edge blade on one side and an 18-inch saw blade on the other. The machete is suitable for clearing brush and comes with a riveted nylon sheath for easy carrying. This tool is perfect for gardening and outdoor activities. Number 2. Machete with saw, 25-inch heavy-duty tool and sheath. The Grandway 13153 machete is a high-quality, multifunctional survival tool made from 440C serrated stainless steel. Its rubber-coated handle ensures comfortable and continuous usage, while the heavy-duty nylon sheath allows for safe and convenient carrying. This machete is perfect for hunting, hiking, camping, fishing, and gardening, and is a great gift for any outdoor enthusiast. Number 3. Huiman Bush Machete with heavy-duty construction. The Huiman Bush Machete is a reliable tool for gardening, land management, bushcraft, hunting, and outdoor activities. It measures 20.25 inches LX, 2.75 inches W x 1.25 inches D, and weighs 1.6 pounds. The blade is constructed of 3CR13 stainless steel with a refined edge for a dependable cut in all situations. The H-grip on the ergonomic handle turns tacky when wet, ensuring a secure grip in all conditions. The blade features a balanced design for cutting fresh vegetation, and the handle has a peg hole for hanging and storing. The machete comes with a convenient 1680D polyester belt sheath with a plastic liner to protect the blade in rugged or wet conditions. Number 4. Flissa Machete 11-foot fixed-blade camp knife. The Flissa Machete is a durable and powerful gardening machete perfect for land management, bushcraft, hunting, and outdoor activities. Its handle contains transparent air columns that absorb shock and relieve wrist fatigue. The thick 3.6 mm stainless steel blade is rust-resistant and has an excellent cutting edge, making it ideal for clearing brush, harvesting crops, or felling trees. The machete is 11 inches long and weighs 1.06 lb, making it easy to carry around. The high-quality nylon sheath provides full protection and has rectangular air holes on both sides for interior drying. Number 5. Barebones Japanese Nada Tool. The Barebones Japanese Nada Tool is a versatile and contemporary tool that can be used for clearing underbrush, debarking logs, planing timber, and preparing kindling. It has a durable 3CR13 steel construction with a robust full-length stainless steel core that enhances its weight distribution and stability for more efficient swinging. The slender and lightweight design of the Nada tool makes it easy to transport and maneuver, while its extended handle provides versatility and grip options. Additionally, the Nada tool has a 12-inch single-edged blade that can slice through brush, remove bark, and produce delicate shavings from wood.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.